Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, March 5th, and this is my analysis of the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top down analysis. So, on the US dollar yen, we are definitely still in an uptrend. Probably is a wave 5. I still think it needs to go up and take out the previous highs and maybe even go up to about the 155 area before it does make a bigger move to the downside. So, taking it down to the weekly is where I got my last my Fibonacci extension on the last push up, the last impulsive move, and then I have it projected out the bottom of the last corrective move. I think it needs to take out this previous high, which is why I think the 78% is probably not where it's going to stop. I still think it's going to stop at the 100%, which is right around the 155 area before we end this wave 5 and make a bigger move to the downside. So taking it down to the daily is where you can start to see this uptrend. So far it really looks like a 1-2, and maybe we're in a wave 3 still. I am definitely still bullish, and I am definitely still looking for longs on shorter time frames. Heading down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, to me, it looks like one big drawn out ABC correction. To me, the trend is still up. Yeah, maybe it will go down before it goes up, and maybe this will be like a 1, and this is an A, a B, and a C, like a 1 and then ABC of 2, and then it goes up for wave 3. Either way, I'm definitely still primarily bullish and primarily looking for longs in an uptrend. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if this actually did end up being a wave B and it did go down again for a wave C, especially looking at the JPY basket. But to me, this definitely is a trend, 5 waves up, and this definitely is kind of a three-way pattern. So at least for now, I am looking at this as an A, B, and then this is possibly a wave C. I am definitely watching these Fibonacci retracement levels very closely. If I get like a nice big engulfing move to the upside, I see like a nice break of structure, then I would for sure take that as the end of a crescent, and I would for sure go long again for the continuation of this uptrend. I am definitely going to continue to look for longs until the higher time frames tell me that we are not in an uptrend anymore by breaking structure to the downside, making a lower high, or making a nice engulfing move to the downside at a Fibonacci level, which it definitely has not done as of yet. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.